Hello students, I'll continue with my Unit 2 topic, that is Introduction to Java. In the earlier slides, I have completed my 6 slides, altogether 6 slides, and now I'll just continue with my remaining parts of the slide. Okay. So now in the earlier video I have told you about that Java is an object oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem, and it was earlier called as Oak. It is an platform independent language and has adopted many features from C++, right? So these were the basic features I have covered up of Java in the earlier video. Then I have told you the difference between the interpreter as well as the compiler. What does the compiler as well as the interpreter do? Compiler accepts the whole program at once and converts into the machine level, whereas the interpreter will accept line by line statements from the program and then convert into interpreter. Okay, so compiler is usually called faster than that of interpreter, and this was the difference that we had learned in the earlier video. Then I have told several definitions in this slides, that is the source code, the object code, the language processor and the byte code. Okay, this also I had told you in the earlier video. Then even this was covered up in the earlier video, that the Java interpreter converts the byte code into the machine code, and Java interpreter is also known as the JVM. So the other name of Java interpreter is JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Okay. Henceforth, whichever programs that you will be running through will be having a package into that with a keyword called as import. In the earlier 8th standard syllabus, you all had done simple programs, sample programs which doesn't had any packages into it. You were directly starting with a default package called as java.lang. But you were not using java.lang, you were not typing java.lang because it's not necessary to type java.lang package into simple programs. Directly you start with a public class. Okay, till here I have stopped in your earlier video. Now I will continue, that is some of the packages used in JDK. JDK is a kit, that is Java Development Kit. When you are installing a BlueJ software, it is necessary to have a setup file of JDK also along with the software, or else your software will not work out. Okay, some of the packages that is used in Java is Java Development Kit. Okay, that is java.lang, java.io, java.math. Okay, these are the simple packages that I have typed over here. For more packages, you can refer your textbook page number 13. Okay. So some of the packages used in JDK, that is Java Development Kit, is java.lang, java.io, java.math, java.scanner, java.util. All these are simple packages that are various packages that is being used in your JDK. For more reference, refer your textbook page number 13. Okay. Next is Java reserved words. This is one more topic that is studied in your 8th standard. You have learnt this in your 8th standard, that is Java reserved word. Java reserved words are the keywords, okay, are the keywords which carry a special meaning. You remember, which carry a special meaning to the Java compiler. Okay, Java reserved words are the keywords which consist of special meaning to Java compiler. They cannot be used for naming a variable. I have told you this also in your last 8th standard, that is whichever reserved words which you having, that cannot be used as a variable name. Okay. Next example is your public, your static, void, your void, class, package, names. All these are your reserved words. For more reserved words, refer page number 13 from your textbook. Okay, so again I'll tell what a Java reserve word. These types of question may be asked for your exams. Okay, what are Java reserve words or what are keywords? Okay, are those words which carry special meaning to the Java compiler. Example, public static void class package, and the Java reserved words or the keywords cannot be used for naming the variables. Okay, next is your different types of Java programming. Okay, different various types of Java programming. There are two types of Java programming. Okay, there are two different platforms for writing Java program. There are two types of Java programming. First one is Java application and the second one is Java applets. Okay, Java application as well as Java applets. Java application is also called as stand-alone system. Java application is also called as stand-alone systems, and these Java applications are the applications which we are using in our desktops, in a computer, in our laptops. Okay, that is called as Java application, also called as stand-alone system, can be used to create stand-alone desktop application. The programs that we are working in our computers are your Java applications, whereas Java applets are also called as internet applets. Okay, Java applets are also called as internet applets. It is a program that can be included in an HTML page. You remember that you have learned HTML? Yes, creating web pages and all. So when you want to create a Java applet, okay, the programs are connected to the internet, and in turn it has been written in your HTML page. It is included in your HTML page. Okay, those are the Java applets. I'll just give you a very simple statements. Actually, what is Java application and actually what is Java applet? So simply in a simpler way, I have written in my slides. You can refer in this much only. Okay. Then the full form of JDK, you must know it, that is Java Development Kit. I repeat once again that JDK is necessary, is must when you are installing your BlueJ software. You are supposed to have a setup file. This is a setup file. Okay. This Java applets was introduced in the first version of Java language in 1995. And remember this, Java applet was first introduced in the first version of Java language in 1995. Clear? The next is the basic structure in Java programming. Okay, how is actually your program looking like? You know this also, I will not repeat. Still you feel that you want to recall with your structure of your programming, Java programming, you can refer the example of page number 15 in your textbook. Okay, page number 15 in your textbook. They have given a sample program. Okay, refer that. You can recall with the programming structure which you have done your simple programs in your 8th standard. Okay, so the basic structure in Java programming is comments in program. Comments in program. The first one is a comment line, included for the user's sake to understand that what action is going to be taken in a program or a statement. Okay, I have told you about this in your 8th standard. Again, comment in a program means it has been used actually for the user's knowledge to understand what is going on in the program or statement. Okay, comment line is not compulsory to be written in a program. Only and only if a user is a fresher to use codings, to work on codings, that time only it has been used while writing in a program. Okay, while writing a program. Fine. Comments always start with 2/, that is 2 backward slash. Clear? So it's not compulsory to insert in a Java program. Only if you feel that you want to understand what action is taken place in a program, that time you can use comments. Okay. Second one, you will be learning about comments in the next further chapters also in detail. Okay. Then the second one is declaration of a class. It is compulsory. It contains a keyword. Keyword means reserved word. It is also called as an access specifier. Again, this you will be learning in your next forthcoming chapters. Okay. Declaration of a class, it contains a access specifier. They have told you don't remember of a word access specifier. In turn, you remember of a word called as a keyword or a reserved word. Okay. It contains a reserved word or a keyword, that is the word public. Okay, always a declaration of a class starts with a word called as public. It also defines the keyword class, which is followed by the class name. I have told you again, it is public is a keyword, class is a keyword. So it is a word public which also defines the keyword of a class, which is followed by a class name. Okay. Next comes declaration of the main function. Declaration of the main function, main, after that open bracket close bracket is there, no? That may open bracket and close bracket states that it is a function, okay. Encloses the programming statements within opening and closing curly braces. Okay. So as you have written public static void main string args, after that the next line you open your curly braces, and in that you write your body of your program and close your curly braces. So this has been done under your declaration of your main program. Okay. At last, termination of each statement must be indicated with a semicolon. Okay. So whatever thing which you are writing inside your curly braces, inside your body of your program, within your curly braces must be terminated with a semicolon, should be terminated with a semicolon. That may be either your variable names as you are declaring inside your data type, it may be either your system.out.println statements. Okay. All the things which is inside your curly braces as a body of a program must be terminated with a semicolon. Closing of the curly braces indicates that the closing of the main function and the class. So closing of your curly braces indicate that you are closing your main function, you are closing your main program, and you are closing your main class. Clear? Okay, this is the structure of your Java programming. For the example program, again I say you refer your page number 15. That time you can understand that they are having a comment line, how they have declared a class, how the declaration of the main program is done, main function has been done, and how the termination of the statement is indicated with a semicolon within the body of a program, within the opening and the closing of the curly braces. Clear? Next is the output statements which are used in your Java. Output statement is the printing statement which you can see in the execution screen. You type in your input screen, but the output can be seen in your execution screen. So system.out.println is the output statement used to display the message on the execution screen of a Java program. Okay. System.out.println is used to display the messages on the execution screen. I told you just now, whatever messages that you write in your system.out.println, this is an output statement. That message can be seen in your execution screen, but you are typing in your input screen. Okay. System.out.println is an output statement used to display the message on the execution screen of a Java program. Okay. Example, just look over here, you can just look into welcome to Java programming is a message. This message can be displayed in your execution screen, whereas the statement is written in your Java programming coding. Okay. The message are to be written always in your double quotes. Always a message has been written in your double quotes within the braces, within the bracket, and at the end there is a semicolon. At the end there is a semicolon. Okay. All the statements must be terminated with a semicolon. Is that clear to all? Output statement. And the next is how to start your BlueJ. how the execution of the program is performed has been clearly mentioned in your page number 16, 17, 18 and 19 in your textbook. Please refer that. Okay, I know that you all are knowing how to start with your BlueJ, all these things, how to start BlueJ, how to type codings, how to create a class, how to execute a program. All these things I have clearly explained you all in your 8th standard. Please install BlueJ software now, at least in your systems. Install BlueJ softwares now along with your JDK setup in your computers, as you all are studying, learning from home due to COVID. Okay, you will not understand the programming until and unless you have a softwares in your system till the school reopens. Okay, so how to start BlueJ, how to execute a Java program is clearly mentioned in your page number 16, 17, 18 and 19 in your textbook. Refer your textbook for starting of your project. Okay, so here I complete with your video of your unit 2 of your chapter number 1, and overall I have completed the first chapter, that is introduction to OOP concept, with that of unit 1, that is principle of OOP, and the second unit, that is introduction to Java program. I completed with first chapter. In the next video I'll start with the second chapter, that is elementary concepts of objects and classes. Clear? Okay, so I'll just repeat what I have covered in my today's video. I started from here. About JVM I have told about that you are supposed to insert a keyword called as import for your packages when you are using in your programming. Then default package is your java.lang. Some other packages that has been used in your JDK is java.lang, java.io, java.math, java.util, java.scanner, etc, etc. Still more, if you want, you can refer your page number 13 of your textbook. Okay, I told about Java reserved words also. Reserved words are the keywords which has a special meaning in a Java compiler, and these words cannot be used for naming a variable. Okay, examples are public static void class package. Okay, refer more reserved words from your page number 13. Different types of Java programming. There are two types, that is Java application and Java applets. Java applications are also called as standalone system, and which are the applications that you are using in your computers are the Java applications. Okay, whereas Java applets are also called as internet applets, that are the programs that can be included in an HTML page. Okay, and the Java applet was first introduced in the first version of Java language in 1995. Then the basic structure of Java programming I have told you, that is commence in a program, declaration of a class, declaration of a main function, termination of each statements with a semicolon, closing of a curly braces indicate that you are closing of main function as an and the class. Okay, the basic example program is there in your page number 16, page number 15 in your textbook. Okay, refer for the basic structure of Java programming example. Okay, then I have told you about the output statement in Java, that is your system.out.println. Fine. And how to start with a BlueJ and execution of a Java is clearly mentioned in your page from your page number 16 to 19 in your textbook. Please refer it. Okay, here I will stop my video. Thank you.